guys, let's make a quick okra soup. So we are making white okra soup, guys. So first of all, we go in with water. This is the water we are using. Also go in with what did they call this thing? I don't know. So go in with this. The next thing you go in with your fish. The fish you want to make use of this soup. We are using only fish to make it. We are not using meat. Fish soup. Fish okra soup. That is what we want to do, guys. Everything inside. So you have to put the maggi. Pepper and then onions blended together. I just use blender to cut it like this. You have to turn it together, guys. Turn it so that the pepper will enter inside there, so that it will be together, because this will not be soup when they take over fire. Then cover it. So guys, let's check it. I lower down the heat of the gas. So it's time to remove some fish inside before pouring the okra inside, guys. We are removing the tilapia fish because I don't want it to be scattered. I don't want it to be too scattered. So the tilapia fish is has too much of inside. So I like using it. I like the taste of the fish. I break it small, not too smooth. You can see that. I wash it. I rinsed it before blending it. Turn it together. So we are seeing before adding the remaining fish. So after 1 minute, another 1 minute. That is 2 minutes. Actually, okay, guys, let's check this soup. As you can see, the soup is cooking. Turn it around. Turn it, drain away all the soup enter. Now I'm going with the fish. Pepper, catch this food. The pepper is too much. So let's test it.